Amsterdam, located in the Western Netherlands, is known for its canals, history, and art. The city's canals earned it the nickname Venice of the North. You can enjoy a walk along the Canal Ring, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and see beautiful canal houses. Amsterdam is great for cycling, with many bike paths to explore the city. The city is home to famous museums like the Rijksmuseum, with art by Rembrandt and Vermeer, and the Gogh Museum. Amsterdam also has a lively nightlife, including coffee shops where cannabis is legally sold, and many bars and clubs to enjoy. So let's explore the best places to visit in Amsterdam. Number 1. Rijksmuseum. Located in Amsterdam's Museumplein area, Rijksmuseum is one of the city's most famous cultural spots. Open for over 200 years, it showcases Dutch Golden Age art, including masterpieces by Rembrandt, Vermeer, and Frans Hals. Its most popular piece is Rembrandt's The Night Watch. The museum houses over 8,000 items, covering 800 years of Dutch history, including paintings, sculptures, clothing, and artifacts from around the world. Its gardens, free to visit, feature sculptures and host temporary exhibitions in spring and autumn. Close to the Van Gogh Museum, it's been a National Heritage Site since 1970. 2. Canal Cruise. Exploring Amsterdam's canals by boat is a must-do experience. You can pick from daytime or evening cruises lasting 1 to 2 hours, with options ranging from simple sightseeing to romantic candlelit dinners. Departure points include Domrock, near Central Station, the Anne Frank House, and the Rijksmuseum. Cruises can fill up quickly, especially during busy times, so booking online is a smart idea and might save you money. Built in the 17th century, the canal system offers a unique way to see the city. During the day, enjoy the stunning views, and at night, admire the sparkling lights. Whether it's a relaxing ride or a hop-on hop-off tour, this experience is unforgettable. 3. Dam Square. Dam Square is the most famous square in Amsterdam, located in the city center. It is home to the Royal Palace, which hosts official receptions, and the Madame Tussauds Rijksmuseum. The Nieuwe Kerk, New Church, is also located here. The square was created in the 13th century when a dam was built across the Amstel River. Today, it is a lively spot filled with cafes, shops, and restaurants. It also hosts events, festivals, and street performances throughout the year. This bustling square is a popular gathering place for both locals and tourists, offering a mix of history, culture, and entertainment. 4. Fundel Park. Fundel Park is the largest and most popular park in Amsterdam, located near Museumplein. Covering 120 acres, it attracts over 10 million visitors annually. Opened in 1865 and originally called Nieuwe Park, it was later renamed after the 17th century poet Joost van den Vondel. The park is ideal for jogging, cycling, walking dogs, reading, or simply relaxing. It features beautiful sculptures, including The Fish by Pablo Picasso and a statue of Joost van den Vondel. The open-air theater hosts free concerts, especially on weekends in summer. Visitors can enjoy cafes, restaurants, and various events, making Fundel Park a lively and relaxing spot for everyone. 5. Jordaan. Jordaan is one of Amsterdam's prettiest and most popular neighborhoods. Known for its narrow streets, historic buildings, and lively vibe, it is full of art galleries, unique shops, cozy cafes, and great restaurants. The area's maze-like streets, called hofjes, hide charming courtyards, canals, and bridges, perfect for exploring. It's busier near attractions like the Anne Frank House and during market days. Built in the 1600s for workers, Jordaan faced tough times but was saved in the 1960s. Today, it's a lively mix of cultures with spots like Noordermarkt, Westerstraat, Rozengracht, and the Tulip Museum drawing visitors for art, food, and fun. 6. Royal Palace. The Royal Palace, or Paleis op de Dam, is on Dam Square in Amsterdam and serves as the Dutch monarchy's official reception palace. Built in the 17th century, it is one of 3 palaces available to the monarch by the Act of Parliament. The palace hosts royal events, state visits, and ceremonies, but most rooms are open to the public. Visitors can admire its stunning architecture, elegant sculptures, beautiful paintings, rich furniture, and sparkling chandeliers. This grand 350-year-old palace from the Dutch Golden Age is a key monument in Dutch history, blending royal traditions with modern-day significance. 7. Amsterdam Tower. Amsterdam Tower offers stunning 360-degree views of Amsterdam and beyond. It features exciting attractions like Europe's highest swing, Over the Edge, where you can swing 100 meters above the city, and the Amsterdam VR roller coaster ride for a thrilling experience. The Sky Bar and Panorama restaurant serve delicious meals with incredible views. You can learn about the city using interactive binoculars, take a free audio tour, and bring home a digital souvenir. The heavenly elevator whisks you to the top in just 22 seconds. Amsterdam Lookout isn't just an observation deck. It's a place to enjoy Amsterdam's port, canals, and cityscape like never before. 8. Keukenhof. Keukenhof, located in Lisse, Netherlands, is one of the largest flower gardens in the world. It opens each spring, showcasing over 7 billion flowers like tulips, daffodils, orchids, and lilies. The park covers 79 acres and is known as the Garden of Europe. Visitors can enjoy flower shows, art, and events. 100 royal suppliers display their best flowers, and visitors can also take canal cruises, visit playgrounds, a petting farm, and a maze. The flower bulb market lets guests buy spring bulbs directly from growers and get tips on how to grow them at home. 9. Oude Kerk. The Oude Kerk, built around 1213 and consecrated in 1306, is the oldest standing building in Amsterdam. It is located in the Red Light District, an area known for its bright red lights and adult entertainment. Originally a Roman Catholic church, it was later changed to a Calvinist church. Today, the Oude Kerk serves as a center for contemporary art and heritage. Despite its religious past, its unique position in the lively red light district surprises many visitors who expect a more traditional setting for such an ancient structure. 10. Begijnhof. Begijnhof is a quiet, historic courtyard in the heart of Amsterdam, surrounded by old buildings. It was once home to the Beguines, a group of religious women who lived together in the 14th century. The entrance is hidden on Begijnensteeg near Kalverstraat. Inside, you'll find a peaceful garden and the Chapel of Our Lord in the attic, which has beautiful murals showing the lives of the Beguines. The nearby Engelse Kerk also has detailed artwork. Today, Begijnhof is still home to a small community of women. It offers a calm escape from the busy city, making it a lovely place to visit.